Hello everybody. So here I got the C7 Corvette. Now for the last 5 years I've been taking this car to the dealership to get it serviced. But after doing the oil change myself in the Maserati and realizing how easy that was, well, this car's even easier. So I'm gonna do the oil change on this from now on. And then plus the oil and filter was on sale from the dealership, paid just $39.59. So I'm saving $60 by doing it myself because they'll charge me $100 to do it. Now I'm not using Mobil 1. Now if I did have the C06 or the Performance C51, then I'd be using the Mobil 1, but on this case I'm just gonna use the factory 530 AC Delco oil, synthetic, and then I got the OE filter also. So still going back with the OE filter and the OE oil. So gonna get the car on the stands. Alrighty, so safety first. I have a jack stand on each side to support the car. Got my drain pan, creeper to get down in there, and then I got my ratchet. It's a 15mm bolt for the drain plug. So gonna give me some gloves and get down in there. So here's the drain plug. Went ahead and broke it loose with my ratchet. So now I'm gonna go ahead and remove it. That all looks pretty dark. It's been a little over 5 months, 5,000 miles. That's how old the oil is. Alrighty, so now I'm gonna go ahead and put the filter back in there. Alright, so went ahead and put the drain plug, got the filter on there, 3/4 turn after it makes contact. So that's about how much I turned it. And that's it. So now I'm gonna remove the jack stands, get it back down, and fill it up with oil. One of the really cool things about Corvettes are the low maintenance costs. So like this filter here was $5, and then for comparison, the one on the Maserati here was $54. I know it's a little bit bigger, but still 10 times the price. I'm actually thinking of tearing both of this apart just to see how much they differ, because I think most of this is just in the brand name. But yeah, maintenance costs on the Corvette are very reasonable. Alrighty, so now to put some oil in it. Now, I know some of you might say it, but the engine does look pretty dirty. It's pollen season, so I'm gonna wait a little bit, and then I'm gonna get the car all washed up, and then I'm gonna clean the inside of the engine too, because it does look pretty dirty. But anyways, I'm gonna go ahead and fill it back up with oil. So I bought 7 quarts because supposedly that's what it takes. So I couldn't find my funnel, so I cut out one of them quarts that I have used when I changed the oil on the Maserati. So I'm gonna put the 7 quarts in it. Alrighty, got the car started. Double check the oil level. So that's it. Now the only thing I got to do is clean out this engine bay, give the car a good wash, That was definitely really easy. It didn't have any panels underneath that I had to remove. A lot of cars have a bunch of screws and the panels are kind of hard to move out the way, and filters hard to get to, but this one's just right there. So it couldn't be easier. So thanks for watching.